Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Hump day. I got leftover potato and eggs from yesterday from the Harrison where we went. This was brunch. My family, my daughter and her family came home early yesterday because the weather was terrible, and they just decided to cut it short. So they came and we went out to eat, and they went to see the fireworks last night while Grandma slept with Tucker. We stayed home and took it easy. And where'd you go? Where was the fireworks, Vera?
Franklin Square.
Oh, Franklin Square. They went to Franklin Square. Those people be crazy, right, Vera?
Yeah.
They love their fireworks. So they always put up on a good show. But I had already seen fireworks last week. Peace, love, and coffee. Good morning. Everybody's sleeping. It's just me, my daughter, and Tucker. I'm gonna go home today, see my mom. So you stay. I wanted to show you these sunglasses that my daughter bought for the bridal. What was it called? The bachelorette party?
Yeah.
Bachelorette. They went to all the wineries. 3 wineries out here. Who remembers Lolita? The movie Lolita. I love these glasses. Too bad I can't see. Vera, look how cute they're adorable.
They look good.
Get something good to eat, stay hydrated, and enjoy the day.